What is up, guys? So I'm back posting again on this channel. I also have another channel, but we're gonna talk about that later on in the video. But I want to post more because I've been actually gone for about a year because I've been saving and I've been working consistently all year long. Like, when I mean all year long, I've been working like 5 days a week, doing just work, and work. So that's why you guys haven't really seen me since I think February. If I'm not mistaken, it's been like since February or like March. I think that's when my last video was. So we're posting again, and it's about to be the new year, so I might as well. I just want to do some tech stuff on this channel, like tech news, tech deals, reviews, and all that. And then I'm gonna do some vlogging on this channel also. So it's gonna be 2 types of content, maybe 3. I'm not too sure. We'll probably do some unboxings here and there if we get the necessary stuff. Then on my next channel, which I will link in the description, that's gonna be gaming, live streams, like gaming / live streams. What you call it? Damn, I'm always forgetting stuff when I'm on camera. Gaming, live streams, sometimes reactions. I'm not gonna saturate the channel with that. And then we might do a 3rd thing. I'm not sure. I think I should just, instead of incorporating gaming and live stream together, that's one separate thing. So those 3 things on that one channel. So in total, between the 2 channels, you get like 5 different types of content. I don't have a set schedule yet, so bear with me for the time being. I'm still working on an intro, I'm still working on an outro, and I'm still working on a whole ton of things like banners and all that for the channel and all that. So bear with me, guys. So if you guys can really support me and like the video, share it, and just watch it at the end of the day, that would be very helpful. And let's just get started with the new journey and see where it goes. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the content. And I thank you very much. Alrighty, deuces. Oh.